Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Mamibot EXVAC660 Auto Charging Robotic Vacuum Cleaner Sweeping Robot. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. G2 Hybrid Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Mamibot EXVAC660 Robot Vacuum Cleaner with Mapping System. Mamibot EXVAC660 Platinum is obviously brand new generation hybrid robot cleaner with superb performance and more reliable cleaning efficiency than any other models of the past. It is not VSLAM navigation robot though, it has really outstanding navigation system algorithmically. Powered by more precise sensors and elements including gyroscopes, infrared sensors, brushless motors, and more. Mamibot EXVAC660 Platinum can perform as well as its counterpart models who claim to have VSLAM or laser slam navigation. Since the infrared signal of the machine's anti-drop sensor will be absorbed by dark substances, the machine is not suitable for black or other dark carpets. Under strong light conditions, the anti-drop sensor will fail, which will cause the machine to fall. In addition, if the ground is uneven or the glass surface is easy to slip, it is not suitable for glass terraces. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.